Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to remove red border in Microsoft Excel. So get started. At first, open your Excel document file. Firstly, then you show the Excel document from the, then show data. All side is the red border. This show it from the remove for the red border. Firstly, then we can see now we show the remove the zoom out, page zoom out. Now select from the file. Now click for the print option, then show zoom out. Now select from the wall, data is the border. Now going to the border option. Now click for the no border option. That's it. Then again select from the file option. Now click for the print option. That's it. Then I show the remove red border in Microsoft Excel. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.